Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make your first open source contribution. So to make your open source contribution, we need a repository where we can contribute. So for this purpose, I already created one repository where you can make your first ever open source contribution. This is our repository, make your first open source contribution. I will leave the link of this repository in the description below. So to make an open source contribution, first we need to install Git. It is a distributed version control system which tracks the changes in your source code, and it is available for Mac, Windows and Linux. Just download and install it. After downloading and installing it, open your terminal and type git dash dash version to make sure you installed Git correctly. If you see some error instead of this, it means you made some mistake. So just reinstall the Git and then again type git dash dash version to make sure you install it correctly. Now head over to our repository. So this is our repository. To make any open source contribution, first we need to fork a repository. Forking simply means you are creating a copy of the original repository in your own GitHub account. So simply click on this fork button and click on this icon. Now it is forking a repository in your own GitHub account. Now we successfully forked a repository. It looks something like this. First your username, then the forked repository name. So our next step is to clone a repository. To clone a repository, just click on this code button and then click on this copy to clipboard button. This will copy this link and then open your Git Bash terminal which you installed few minutes back. To clone a repository, type git clone and press shift plus insert and hit enter. This is now cloning our repository in your local machine. So repository is successfully cloned in our local machine. To change the directory to the clone directory, type cd and type your repository name, make and hit tab and then hit enter. Now we are on our repository folder. Now type code dot to open this folder in our code editor. To make some changes in this contributors.md file, just open it. To make some changes in this contributor.md file, first we need to create a new branch. It is not a good practice to make some changes in a master branch directly. So to create a new branch, type git checkout -b and a new branch name and hit enter. Now your branch is changed from master to my branch. Now go to our folder. Now to make some changes, add your GitHub username and GitHub URL. Add a square bracket and inside this square bracket type your GitHub username. Now under these parentheses paste your GitHub URL like so and then save these changes. This little blue button shows you make some changes in line 2. Now open your terminal and type git status. This will show you all the modified. Here we modified contributors.md file. Now we need to stack the changes. To stack the changes, type git add and the changed file name contributors and hit enter. Now our changes are stacked. Now we will need to commit these changes. Type git commit -m and add your message like add my name and hit enter. Now we committed our changes. Now we need to push our changes to the remote repository. To push these changes, type git push to origin, type origin and your branch name. My branch name is my branch and hit enter. This will push all the changes to your fork repository. Now open your fork repository. Now you see something like this. My branch had recent pushes less than a minute ago. You see your branch name here. And then click on this compare and pull request button. Mention here about your changes. If you want to add a comment, add it here. I am going to add add my name to contributors dot md file, and then click on this create pull request button. This will create a pull request. So now you make a pull request. Now the owner of this repository is able to see the changes you make. As I am the owner of this repository, I already opened this repository here, and here you can see it shows one pull request. I click this link, and here you can see this is a pull request which says add my name. If the owner want to merge your pull request, he or she just need to click on this merge pull request like so, and then click confirm merge. So now your pull request is merged into the master branch. By doing this, you make your first ever open source contribution. If you find the video helpful, please like the video and make sure to subscribe for more. Thank you for watching my video.